Tired of drowning in a sea of subscription chaos? Meet SubscriptionFlow, a complete SaaS solution to revolutionize the way you handle subscriptions. But what exactly is SubscriptionFlow?
SubscriptionFlow is cloud-based software designed for businesses offering subscriptions. It automates and streamlines subscription management tasks, collects subscription payments, and fine-tunes your revenue operations so you can unlock your business's true growth potential.
In this product overview, we'll walk you through the features and functionality offered by SubscriptionFlow.
We will also show you how you can leverage this platform to optimize every stage of your customer subscription journey, from the moment they sign up all the way to fostering long-term customer loyalty.
Where does SubscriptionFlow fit into your company's tech stack? Say you have a website and you're collecting payments. Great. But where does all that subscription data get stored and managed?
How do you set up complex and flexible pricing plans?
How are you leveraging customer usage data to grow your business?
Can customers even make changes to their subscriptions?
And what about dunning to collect failed payments?
That's where SubscriptionFlow fits in. SubscriptionFlow integrates with your sales and e-commerce platforms to effectively convert leads into trial users and then into paid subscribers.
Furthermore, SubscriptionFlow also integrates with CRM, marketing, accounting, and taxation software to break silos and enhance efficiency across all systems.
Now let's take a closer look at some of SubscriptionFlow's features.
Say you're selling online. With SubscriptionFlow, you can set up branded checkout experiences that boost sales. Let's take a look at Camp Solutions, a magazine company that offers two types of subscription plans on their website. Clicking on either one of these plans and then pressing the subscribe button redirects consumers to a checkout page hosted by SubscriptionFlow. This page is entirely customized to Camp Solutions' needs and is powered by the Stripe payment gateway to securely accept online transactions. But how did Camp Solutions set up these subscription plans? Let's take a look at things from Camp Solutions' perspective.
As a system user, logging into SubscriptionFlow lands you on a dashboard with all your KPIs on display. You can customize what you want to see in this view and create multiple dashboards. On the left side, you'll see a navigation bar with some modules listed. The items in this list can also be customized by clicking the gear box next to dashboard. Additional modules can be added depending on your business use case. For example, you can create a leads tab and feed data into it through an integration with Salesforce. On the top right, you have some quick action buttons such as Create, Enable Dark Mode, Email, Calendar View, and some apps to boost your business performance.
With SubscriptionFlow, you can easily set up different products, customize multiple subscription plans against each product, and utilize flexible pricing structures. Let's see this in action. Click on Products in the navigation panel on the left side of the dashboard. Then click on Create Product. Now give it a name. In this demo, we'll be setting up a magazine subscription. Click on Product Information to add further details. Under Type, you can select Base Products, Add-on Services, or Miscellaneous Products. For now, let's go with the Base Products. You also have the option to type in the SKU, add an image, and write a short description. Now, once you're done with the setup, it's time to create a plan. For every product you offer, SubscriptionFlow gives you the choice of setting up multiple plans. Plans are subscriptions that are tied to your product. Check Create Plan and enter a name for the plan. For this demo, let's create a monthly plan. Next, tick mark Create Plan Price to list the price of the product. Then select a billing period, which will decide how regularly your customer will be charged for their subscription. Click Save. If needed, you can print the product's details, check out its history, add notes, and can even modify or delete it. Scrolling down offers a detailed view. Plan pricing is listed in the currency of your choice. SubscriptionFlow gives you the option to add 3 different types of charges. A one-time charge that will only have to be paid at the start of the first billing cycle, recurring charges that are billed at the start of each billing cycle, typically every month, and usage-based charges that are charged to customers depending on how much of your product they use. Flexible hybrid pricing can be set up by utilizing a combination of these 3 charges. Clicking on Add Charges lets you select the pricing model of your choice. Click on the drop-down menu next to the charge model to choose from the multiple pricing models available, including flat fee, per unit, volume, and tiered pricing, among others. Finally, you can tick mark Taxable to decide whether the charges will be inclusive or exclusive of taxes that are applicable to the region in which you're operating. How do you set up your taxes? It's easy.
Go to Admin Settings and then under Billing, click on Taxes. You can create a new tax group, give it a name, select which GST or VAT applies to you, and save this tax. While setting up your product, if you check Taxable, Exclusive or Inclusive, also select which of the taxes you want to apply and voila, you're done.
Now that you have your plans, it's time to let people buy them by embedding checkout pages into your website. Once you're in the detailed view, scroll down to Plans and click on Web Checkout on the right side. This will open up a sidebar with 3 options: URL, embedded iframe, and HTML button. The URL link can be copied and shared with customers so they can directly open the checkout page and proceed. This could work if you want to send out emails with payment links for contract-based subscriptions. Additionally, the embedded iframe code can be copy-pasted in your website's code, which will embed the entire checkout page within your website. Finally, the HTML button code can be embedded into a call to action button anywhere in your website, and it will take customers directly to a checkout page hosted by SubscriptionFlow, also called HPPs. There you have it, subscription checkouts. But how do you collect online payments securely? This is where you need to configure a payment gateway.
SubscriptionFlow supports trusted payment gateways popular in diverse global markets. To set up a payment gateway, click on the gear button at the top right to go to the administration settings. Navigate to billing and then payment settings. Here you can see the active gateways that you have integrated with your platform. Let's add a new payment gateway by clicking on the plus payment gateway option. Click the payment gateway you want to add to get started. Add your client ID and client secret provided to you through the payment gateway provider. Click Test Connection to see if the entered details were correct. Under the Advanced Options tab, you can set up your payment methods and select the allowed users from the drop-down menu who can manage the payment gateway settings and hit Save. To permanently save your changes, you go to the Connections tab and click Save for the final time. Now your payment gateway is connected and active. If you want to delete an active payment gateway, simply click on Uninstall.
Let's run a test transaction. I'll add some dummy data to this checkout form and click Subscribe. Your customer is redirected to a thank you page, but what happens at the back end? In the system under the Customers tab, you can see that your new customer has been added. Let's click on their name to open the customer detail view. You can see all the customer's details such as billing information and if auto charge has been enabled or disabled. Scrolling down, you can see their subscriptions, active or inactive, their invoices, payment methods, emails, and contacts. You can also dive deeper into any of these tabs. Let's go to the Invoices tab to see more information. From here, you can refund the invoice, check dates, or generate a PDF of the invoice. You can also further filter out customers based on various data points or create new customers and import or export them.
SubscriptionFlow also provides self-service portals to customers where they can log in to see their subscription plans, invoices, and update their payment methods. Our billing and invoicing automation ensures your customers are billed, invoiced, and auto-charged on their payment method right on time, every time. This includes the option to implement usage-based charges, and SubscriptionFlow automatically generates tailored invoices based on tracked usage data. Additionally, charges are automatically prorated, which means you never have to worry about over or undercharging customers that upgrade or downgrade their subscriptions at any point.
When a customer subscribes, they receive a link to the self-service portal through email. This email can be found under the Emails tab by clicking on any customer. They have the option to upgrade or downgrade their plan, suspend their subscription, or even cancel it, depending on how you choose to configure self-service. Under the Account statement, they can download a PDF statement of their account for record. Most importantly, the Profile tab allows customers to update their payment methods, contact details, and shipping addresses. This helps plug revenue leaks caused by expired cards and outdated billing details. In our Portal Manager, you can set the self-service portal up and customize it to your needs. You also have the option to revoke portal access, change the layout, add or remove widgets, and more.
Our robust reporting and analytics tools allow you to access detailed insights on your business performance with the click of a button. You just go to Dashboard where you can see reports including invoice aging reports. You can also very easily export whichever report you require onto your system. You can also build your own custom reports. Let's say you're interested in a particular customer's transaction history. All you have to do is create your own report, then select which customer in module and check invoices and transactions. Then you can choose if you want the data in tabular, summary, or matrix format, and also choose how to group things. And voila, you just built your own report tailored to your needs. If you click the dotted icon on the top right of the screen, you gain access to Portal Manager, Collection Flow, Retention Flow, and Payments Flow. In addition to its own apps, SubscriptionFlow integrates with the best sales, marketing, CRM platforms out there to streamline your entire business operation through a single sign-on.
Heard anything you liked? Book a demo with our sales team to find out more.